Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Life English Channel. I'm Jess.
And I'm Mike. So, Jess, guess what happened yesterday?
What happened?
I was texting with Jake about movies.
Okay.
And I wrote, I looked that new Marvel movie last night.
Oh no.
He replied with 3 question marks.
Just question marks?
3 of them, like this.
Question marks, okay.
That's his way of saying something's wrong.
Exactly.
I stared at my phone for like 2 minutes.
What were you thinking?
I was thinking, what did I do wrong?
And then it hit you.
It hit me. I should have said watched, not looked.
Bingo.
But why? All 3 words mean to use your eyes, right?
Technically, yes, but they're completely different.
This is my nightmare.
What do you mean?
See, look, watch. I mix them up constantly.
You're not alone. This confuses everyone.
Really?
Really, it's one of the top 5 English mistakes.
That makes me feel slightly better.
And that's exactly why we're doing this episode today.
Finally, I need this desperately. See versus look versus watch. The ultimate vision showdown.
My eyes are ready, pun intended.
Nice one.
By the end of this episode, you'll never confuse them again.
Promise?
Promise.
Okay, so here's my confession.
I'm listening.
Last week, I made 5 mistakes with these words.
5?
5. My coworker Sarah corrected me every single time.
What did you say?
First, I said, "Did you watch my email?"
Oh no.
She laughed at me.
That does sound funny.
Then I said, "Look outside, it's snowing."
That's close, but not quite right.
And worst of all, I said, "I'm going to look a movie tonight."
That's the most common mistake.
I felt so embarrassed.
Don't be. Millions of learners make these mistakes.
But why are they so confusing?
Because in many languages, there's only 1 or 2 words for seeing.
In Korean, we mainly use boda for everything.
Exactly. English splits it into 3 different concepts.
3 different ways to use your eyes.
Right, and each one has a different feeling.
Okay, explain it to me like I'm 5 years old.
Perfect. Let me give you 3 mental pictures.
I love mental pictures. They help me remember.
First, imagine you're walking down the street.
Okay, I'm walking.
Suddenly, you see a rainbow in the sky.
A rainbow appears.
You didn't try to see it, it just entered your vision.
It came to my eyes naturally.
That's C. Passive, unintentional, no effort. Like accidentally saying something.
Exactly. See is passive, unintentional, no effort, like accidentally seeing something.
Exactly. Now, imagine you hear a strange noise.
A strange noise. I'm curious.
You turn your head and look at the source.
I'm directing my eyes towards something specific.
Perfect. You're making an effort. You're focusing your attention. That's look.
Exactly. Look is active, intentional. You choose where to point your eyes.
Like a spotlight.
Great metaphor.
And finally, imagine you're at home on Friday night.
My favorite place.
You sit on the couch and watch a movie.
For 2 hours.
Right. You're not just glancing, you're observing something over time, something that moves.
Exactly. Movies move, TV shows move, sports move. So watch is for movement and duration.
Perfect summary.
Wait, let me make sure I understand.
Go ahead.
See is like a camera that's always on. Things just appear in the lens.
Beautiful explanation.
Look is like turning the camera towards something specific.
Exactly.
And watch is like recording a video. You follow the action.
You just became a teacher. That's perfect.
My brain feels like it's opening up.
That's the feeling of understanding.
Okay, but I need more examples.
Let's start with C phrases.
Okay, I'm ready.
First one. Can you see me?
Can you see me? Like on a video call.
Exactly. Am I in your vision? No effort required. Just asking if I'm visible.
Perfect. See is about visibility.
Can you see the board from the back?
Right. Is it entering your vision?
What about, can you look at me?
Never. That's completely wrong.
Why?
Because look needs at. Look at me.
Oh, prepositions.
See is direct. Look at needs at.
That's a game changer. Write that down.
See is direct. Look at needs at. Got it.
What's next? See a doctor.
See a doctor, like a medical appointment.
Yes, I need to see a doctor about my knee.
Why see and not look or watch?
Because it's about meeting someone, not literally looking at them.
Oh, it's idiomatic.
Exactly. See also means to meet or consult.
I'm seeing my dentist tomorrow.
Perfect.
Can I say watch a doctor?
Only if you're creepily observing them.
That sounds like a horror movie.
Right. See a doctor is the correct phrase. Also, see a friend, see a lawyer, see a therapist.
All about meetings and consultations.
Exactly. Next one, see you later.
See you later, a goodbye phrase.
Right. It means I'll meet you again, not I'll look at you later.
That would be weird.
Very weird. See you tomorrow, see you next week, all common phrases.
Why not watch you later?
Because you're not continuously observing them.
Makes sense.
Next phrase, I see what you mean.
Oh, this isn't about eyes at all.
Correct. See also means to understand, like getting an idea.
Exactly. I see your point. Do you see what I'm saying?
Mental vision, not physical vision. Perfect distinction.
Can I say I look what you mean?
Never. That's completely wrong. Only see works for understanding.
Got it.
What about see a movie?
Interesting question.
This is controversial.
Controversial.
Some people say see a movie. Some say watch a movie.
Which is correct?
Both are acceptable, but they feel slightly different.
Ow.
See a movie sounds like going to the cinema.
Oh, the event of going out.
Right, let's see a movie this weekend.
What about watch a movie?
Watch a movie sounds like the activity of viewing.
I watched a movie on Netflix last night.
Exactly. Watch focuses on the viewing experience.
So at the cinema, I can say either.
Yes, do you want to see a movie or do you want to watch a movie? Both work.
But on TV or streaming, watch is more natural. I'm watching a movie right now.
Perfect. See is about the experience, watch is about the action.
This is so nuanced.
English is full of tiny distinctions.
My head is spinning a little.
Let's move to look phrases.
Okay, I'm ready.
Look at this.
Look at this, directing attention.
Yes, hey, look at this funny picture. I'm actively showing you something.
Perfect. Look at needs at.
Always?
Almost always. Look at me. Look at the screen. Look at that bird.
What about just look?
Look can stand alone as command, like, look, a shooting star.
Exactly. But when there's an object, you need at.
Look at that sunset, not look that sunset.
Perfect. This is a huge mistake for learners.
Oh, I've made it 1,000 times.
Now you'll never make it again. Next phrase, look for.
Look for. This means to search.
Yes, I'm looking for my keys, actively searching for them.
What are you looking for?
Great. Are you searching for something?
Why for and not at?
Because you don't see the thing yet. You're searching for it.
Oh, it's not in your vision yet.
Exactly. Once you find it, then you look at it.
I'm looking for my keys. Oh, I found them. Now I'm looking at them.
Perfect progression.
This makes so much sense.
Next one, you look tired.
You look tired, describing appearance.
Yes, look as a linking verb, like seem or appear.
Exactly. You look happy. She looks beautiful. It looks delicious.
All about appearance and impression.
Can I say you see tired?
Never. That's completely wrong. Only look works for appearance.
Exactly. Look good, look bad, look amazing. All common phrases.
What's next? Look like?
Look like, for comparisons.
Yes, he looks like his father. It looks like rain.
Resemblance and similarity. You look like you need a break.
Perfect. Based on appearance, I'm making a judgment.
What about see like?
Wrong. Never use see like for appearance. Always look like.
Exactly.
Next phrase. Look out.
Oh, like look out.
Exactly. It's a warning. Look out. There's a car coming.
Perfect. Also, look up, look down, look around.
All about direction of vision. Look up at the sky. Look down at the floor. Look around the room.
Great examples. Ready for watch?
Let's do it. Watch TV.
Watch TV, the most common phrase.
Yes, because TV shows move and take time.
I watch TV every evening.
Perfect. Not see TV or look TV. Always watch TV.
What about watch Netflix?
Exactly the same. Watch YouTube, watch Disney Plus.
All streaming services use watch because you're observing moving content over time.
Next one, watch a video.
Watch a video, same concept. Did you watch my TikTok video?
Perfect. Videos have movement and duration.
Can I say see a video?
It sounds awkward. Watch is much more natural.
I saw a funny video versus I watched a funny video. Both work, but watched is better.
Because it emphasizes that you spent time viewing it.
Exactly.
Next one, watch sports.
Watch sports because sports involve action.
Right. Do you want to watch the game tonight?
Perfect. I love watching basketball.
Great. Sports are continuous action.
You can't look a game or see a game.
Well, you can see a game at the stadium.
Oh, like see a movie, the event.
Exactly. But watching the game means viewing the action.
Got it.
Next one. Watch someone do something.
Watch someone do something. Observing an action.
Yes, I watched her dance. He watched the kids play. Continuous observation.
We watched the sunset.
Perfect. The sunset is a process that takes time.
What about look someone do something?
Wrong. That doesn't work. Always watch for continuous actions. Next phrase. Watch out.
Oh, like look out.
Exactly. It's a warning. Watch out. The floor is wet.
Perfect. Be careful. Pay attention.
Is there a difference between look out and watch out?
They're very similar. Both mean be careful. Watch out feels slightly more urgent.
Interesting. Both work though.
Yes, both are warnings.
Next one. Watch what you say.
Watch what you say. Be careful about your words.
Right. It means pay attention to and control. Watch your language, watch your stop, watch your back.
All warnings about being careful.
This is about careful attention, not just vision.
Exactly. Watch has expanded beyond physical vision. Like see can mean understand.
Right. Language is flexible.
Okay, my brain is getting full.
Ready for common mistakes?
Yes. Show me what not to do. I will say the wrong sentence. You correct it.
Let's do this.
Wrong. I'm going to look a movie tonight.
Should be, I'm going to watch a movie tonight.
Perfect. Movies take time and have movement. Always watch a movie when talking about the viewing activity.
Got it.
Next, wrong. Can you see at the board?
Should be, can you see the board?
Perfect. See is direct. No at needed. See never takes at. Look at always takes at.
Exactly.
Next mistake, wrong. I watched my friend at the mall yesterday.
Should be, I saw my friend at the mall yesterday.
Perfect. Why?
Because it was a brief encounter, not continuous observation.
Exactly. You didn't stand there watching them for an hour.
Right. Saw is for quick, unplanned moments.
Great understanding. Next one, wrong. Look outside, it's raining.
Should be, look outside, it's raining.
Wait, that sounds right.
Almost. The correct phrase is look outside or look out the window.
Oh, I've heard both.
Look outside is actually accessible in casual speech, but look at the rain is more precise.
Got it. Next one, wrong. I'm seeing TV right now.
Should be, I'm watching TV right now.
Perfect. TV is continuous, so watch is correct.
Never, I'm seeing TV. That sounds so wrong now.
Good, your ear is developing. Next, wrong. Did you look the news today?
Should be, did you see the news today or did you watch the news today?
Both work.
Why?
See the news means learning about current events, and watch the news means viewing the TV broadcast.
Exactly. Different focus, both correct.
Last mistake, wrong. Watch me, I'm over here.
Should be, look at me, I'm over here.
Why?
Because it's a quick direction of attention, not continuous observation.
Watch me would be like watch me perform this trick.
Exactly. Watch me dance, watch me cook. Those are extended actions, but for quick attention, use look at me.
This is so logical.
Ready for quick practice?
Fire away. Fill in the blank, see, look, or watch.
I'm ready.
My palms are sweating.
Don't worry.
First one. Can you blank me from there?
See, can you see me from there?
Perfect. Visibility question. I blank a great movie last night.
I watched a great movie last night.
Great. Continuous viewing. Blank at this beautiful painting.
Look at this beautiful painting.
Perfect. Directing attention. Do you want to blank the game tonight?
Watch. Do you want to watch the game tonight?
Great. Sports use watch. I need to blank a doctor about my cough.
See, I need to see a doctor about my cough.
Perfect. Medical appointment. Blank out. That car is coming fast.
Watch out or look out. Both are correct.
Good job. She blank really happy today.
She looks really happy today.
Perfect. Appearance. I can blank the mountains from my window.
See, I can see the mountains from my window.
Great. They're in your field of vision.
I'm blank for my phone. Have you seen it? Looking for. I'm looking for my phone.
Excellent. Searching. We blank the sunset at the beach yesterday.
Watched. We watched the sunset at the beach.
Perfect. Continuous action over time.
10 out of 10.
Really?
Really? You're mastering this.
I feel like something clicked in my brain.
That's the best feeling. The fog is clearing.
Perfect metaphor.
Okay, vocabulary review time. Let's lock this in. I'll say the phrase, you repeat. Ready?
Ready.
See phrases first. Can you see me?
Can you see me?
Is something visible in your field of vision? I can see the ocean from here. See a doctor.
See a doctor.
Meet with a medical professional. I need to see a doctor this week. See you later.
See you later.
A phrase meaning we'll meet again. See you tomorrow morning. I see what you mean.
I see what you mean. I understand your point. Oh, I see now. That makes sense.
See a movie.
See a movie.
Go to the cinema to watch a film. Let's see a movie this weekend. Perfect. Now look phrases. Ready?
Ready.
Look at this.
Look at this. Direct your attention to something. Look at that amazing car.
Look for something.
Look for something.
Search for something you haven't found yet. I'm looking for my keys everywhere. You look tired.
You look tired.
Describing appearance. You look beautiful today. Look like.
Look like.
Resemble or appear similar to. He looks like his brother. Look out.
Look out.
Be careful. A warning. Look out for cars when crossing the street. Perfect. Now, watch phrases. Let's finish strong.
Let's finish strong.
Watch TV.
Watch TV.
View television programs. I watch TV every evening after dinner. Watch a video.
Watch a video. View recorded moving content. Did you watch my TikTok video?
Watch sports.
Watch sports.
View athletic competitions. I love watching football on Sundays. Watch someone do something.
Watch someone do something. Observing an action.
I watched her paint the entire mural. Watch out.
Watch out.
Be careful. Pay attention. Watch out. The floor is wet. Watch what you say.
Watch what you say. Be careful about your words. Watch your language around the kids.
And that's all the key phrases.
My brain is full, but in a good way, like a satisfying meal.
Exactly. I'm mentally full. So here's my challenge to you.
I'm listening.
Tonight, I'm going to use these correctly with Jake.
Perfect practice.
I'll text him, did you watch the game, instead of, did you see the game?
Both are actually okay.
All right. See for the event, watch for the viewing.
You got it. I'm going to make 0 mistakes.
That's the spirit. And I'll report back next episode.
I'll hold you to that.
Deal.
Question for our listeners?
Yes, let's hear from you.
Which phrase do you confuse most? Is it see a movie versus watch a movie? Or look at versus see? Or maybe watch TV versus see TV?
Tell us in the comments. We read every single one.
Everyone. Your questions help us make better episodes.
And if you found this helpful,
hit that subscribe button. We post new episodes every day.
Every day, guys.
Share this with a friend who confuses see, look, and watch, which is basically everyone.
True. Remember the mental picture.
See equals a camera always on.
Things just appear.
Look equals turning the camera towards something specific.
And watch equals recording a video.
Following the action.
Passive versus active versus continuous.
And you'll never confuse them again.
Keep listening.
Keep learning.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Mistakes are how we learn.
Small steps every day.
That's how you become fluent.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.